Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're stepping into the world of 3D printing with the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. Let's see if this entry-level printer lives up to the hype. The Ender-3 V3 SE is making waves in the 3D printing community, and for good reason. It's affordable, reliable, and user-friendly, making it a perfect choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. First off, let's talk design. The Ender-3 V3 SE features a popular bed slinger design, providing a clear view of the printing process. Assembly is a breeze, with the printer arriving almost fully assembled, requiring only a few simple steps to get up and running. When it comes to features, the Ender-3 V3 SE doesn't disappoint. It boasts impressive speed, reaching up to 250 mm per second, powered by a high-power processor. Auto-leveling with a CR touch sensor ensures precision and ease in print setup, while the Sprite Direct Extruder handles various filament types with ease. But how does it perform? In our tests, the Ender-3 V3 SE was impressed with its exceptional dimensional accuracy and ability to handle complex geometries without support. The highly accurate auto bed leveling system ensures reliable prints every time, while moderate noise levels make it suitable for home or office use. So, what's the final verdict? The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE 3D printer is a standout choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its blend of affordability, reliability, and performance, it's hard to beat. While it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, its straightforward design and ease of use make it a top contender in the entry-level market. And that's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy printing!